Hello and welcome back. It's Christmas Day, so we're going to keep today's video nice and short, but I'm going to show you how to get this nice, very festive look for today. And Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate. Happy holidays to those of you who don't. And if you like what you see here, then just keep watching. All right, we got one eye done, so we're going to go ahead in with the other eye. I'm going to start by priming with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Naughty palette again today, but only using a couple shades, so you can really create this look with any reds and whites. I'm going to start with the shade Saint Nick. Just blend that all over the crease. Really taking it all the way from inner to outer corner. Next, I'm going to take the shade Unwrap Me. It's a little bit deeper of a red, and do the same thing, but keep it a little bit lower. Just gonna go back in with Saint Nick and blend that out. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer and carve out the crease. All right, now we're gonna take the shade Snowball and go over everywhere that we applied the concealer. Alright, now I'm going to take the Nicole Guerrero highlighter kit from ABH and take Forever Lit. Just kind of go right on top of that just to give it a little bit of a more sparkly look rather than just matte. I am going to go in with those two red shades from earlier and just kind of touch up the crease area. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with Unwrap Me and just lightly go along where that edge is. I'm basically just trying to clean up anywhere that the white kind of got into the crease area. Then I'm going to take one of the fluffy brushes from earlier, just go back in and carefully blend that out. Lastly, I'll take my brush with white, just clean it up a little bit more. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our wing liner. It's probably going to take me a hot minute, so I'll be right back. I'm also going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, as well as this eyebrow, because this is looking crazy. And then I'll be back to finish up the eye look. Alright, face is done, so let's go ahead and finish up this eye look. I'm going to go back in with the Naughty palette. I'm just going to take a pencil brush and Unwrap Me and smudge that all along the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to go back in with Saint Nick and just blend that out. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Fine Wine, put that on the waterline. Gonna put a couple coats of mascara on using the Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara today. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner and brow bone as well with the Forever Lit highlighter from the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette. I love this highlight. I love a good white inner corner highlight. I mean, you know I already like a bright highlight, so I think white is probably the brightest you can get. For lips, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade American Doll. Oh yeah, that's a good red. Now I'm just going to set everything down with my Morphe setting spray. Alright, that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram at jsanchezbeauty. Thank you again for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate today, and hope to see you back soon. Bye!